Good old days. Hey yo kawan-kawan sekalian, konnichiwa, annyeonghaseyo. Aku datang ke exotic modes. Today I come to exotic modes. Since I already drive my Tesla coming back KL for the TMCS event, so why not? Because this car is quite very rare driving back to KL nowadays. What I'm gonna do is, because Sheldon, the exotic modes boss, asked me to do a retrofit so I can use a Tesla charger. Another thing is, this car usually we drive Tesla, you no need to service, you no need to change engine oil, no need to change a lot of things no need to change because it's an electric car. But however, you need to check the coolant because of as the boss told me, it's quite very long already. They update a lot of things, so sometimes you might get a little bit, maybe the gear more makan the coolant, so it will decrease battery more faster or whatever. I don't know. I just come here, then maybe top up the coolant. Then I ask the boss, they update the version or whatever, so the coolant might be decreased or what?
Yes,
is it?
They did a secret
we don't know one
update. Yes,
okay.
we don't know one. So it was inside the updates lah, when the car was updating the new version.
Okay.
So there was an algorithm they changed to make the cooling come in later, the range.
But so far there's no problem. We just need to check for the coolant. Is it decreased or?
Yeah, you see, so we have a few cars that come in. Even aircon compressor die because work too hard already.
Because
our climate too hot, right?
No, the cooling down and they didn't check.
Yeah, they didn't check. They didn't know.
So if lower than the expectation, need to do flushing.
Yeah, supposed to do bleeding as well.
Bleeding.
Yeah, bleeding. Aircon need to do flushing, cooler need to do bleeding.
Mostly is for all those older version Tesla. The
newer
version
not so bad.
Version
not so bad.
A lot of
also will come because those cars are out under warranty, so we don't see those new versions.
Here a lot of new version coming for service or not?
No, only for accessories. We had one last week. New version, but it came in for the pedestrian protection to change the pedestrian. So that one is not under warranty one.
Nowadays, a lot of new stuff for the new Tesla. No?
Yeah.
The steering,
yeah, we have
lip,
a lot of
everything.
yeah,
beside then, Tesla actually, I already came here many times already. If you all guys don't know lah, they're not only doing Tesla electric car. There are a lot of cars such as Porsche. I'm not sure I can say it, but maybe he allowed me to say there is one NSX Mini coming in, S660. I can say the first, the first one, the first S660 Honda will be converted into NSX. If you all guys ever saw YouTube or Instagram before, the Japanese guy, they convert the S660 become an NSX and go for the track. Sheldon gonna make it one at Malaysia, the first in Malaysia, and then they got selling, they got distribute the body kit as well. So whoever that driving S660, if you want to convert to NSX, no problem, because the real NSX is quite expensive, so you can convert. You use a S660 Honda to convert to become a NSX mini version. Oh, you want to go up, is it?
You just want to drive in.
Oh, okay. Wow. Aventador. This one, your one or up for sale?
Not yet for sale.
Not yet for sale,
Not yet.
It's nice. It's a Nissan. Calsonic. So guys, I just back from my friend's shop. It's just between depan, belakang, okay? It's just in front lah. Racing Z, PJ tire, exotic modes. Okay, it's only 3 km, very near. Okay, because Racing Z actually, you all want to order forged rim. My site JP Origin, all the stock will be put at there. So I just from there, just now, before I back to Sungai Petani, I drop by exotic modes. Then later gonna service my car a bit. Because right here they are professional for all those EV car coolant everything, and retrofit. In case if you all don't know, my Tesla is a Japan spec, so the charging is different. It's not a CCS2. I need an adapter to charge, so I cannot use the Tesla charger at Malaysia. So anyhow, by the way, Let's see how's going later. Remember, if you all want to order forged rim, I got a lot of design. Just text me. Can or not? Need to take out?
I think we can.
Can?
Yeah.
What's the difference 啊？它是什么特别啊？
充电比较快，
充
这个应该是新一点的版本，然后这个旧一点的版本。
这旧的，这 original 旧的嘛。
这个你车拆出来的。
OK，说这个充电慢的，这个充电快，说这个可以用 Tesla charger，
应该
也是可以。
啊，你要问老板了
，OK，
比较清楚一点了。也可以理解成这个是比较旧的版本，这个是新的版本这样子。
是 My son is waiting。Hello. Hi, this is my daughter. Nang nang. Nang nang. Ayo. Ah, you want papaya? You want papaya? Ayo, gaga. What are you doing there, baby? Baby, you got call Che or not? Huh? Got call Che or not? Last time buy car that time you still inside tummy or puro sangue. This one nice. This one very nice. 这辆车其实很美。Another car for sale coming in. Siapa yang berminat? GR lah, GR Yaris. This one nowadays all of these Supra also very cheap lah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now it's quite cheap.
This one is
2023 manual.
Manual.
Yeah. 2023 manual.
CC.
2000 cc. 3 liter. Below 320.
Below 320 only.
All the parts already. For HKS suspension, HKS exhaust, for carbon fiber GR body kit, for Angin.
Angin spoiler. Angin spoiler.
Carbon parts here and there. So
It's direct Japan or what?
direct Japan.
Direct Japan ah?
Direct Japan.
3 something ah.
Yeah. Less than
3 something ah. This one also cheap right now.
Yeah, 17 something.
Oh yo.
9,000 kilometers something.
9,000 kilometer.
9,000 this one.
100 something. Oh yo. It's quite cheap oh this one. But basically no need service anything one ma.
Only coolant.
And that's all.
你那吧？没有加啦？
没有啊？
没有啊？
I think I ever put it. Don't have a. Last time got one time you help me. But very long already one. Very long already one. Until now.
Good. Coolant is good. Okay, very good. So,
Battery need to change one or not? No need one.
battery, not really.
This one is a aux battery.
This is the original battery.
The small one ah.
Small one, 16 watt.
Can tahan how long?
Normally 4-5 years.
4-5 years ah?
Yeah, to 5-6 years, no problem. Shouldn't be a problem.
Got indicator or not?
Yeah. And then the same. The radiator, blow the radiator. Fill it up. Your destination go back to Sungai Petani lah, for example. And then on the way, the watt chargers all will come out. Then you want to go where to charge, you just click on that. Tesla supercharger only, not third party
Okay.
Only Tesla supercharger.
Mostly KL only ma.
Yeah, mostly KL only, unfortunately.
Mostly
Going
KL.
up Penang
Penang
got lah. Penang got lah. So you will see lah, later you will see the list of superchargers that will come out.
Because of this retrofit only lah.
Yes, because after the retrofit means that your car can now charge Tesla supercharger.
And more faster.
Yes. Well,
Almost.
depends on what charger you are charging for third party lah. Some third party chargers are quite fast also. So now done.
How many mileage I also don't know this car.
So now your mileage is let me see.
Normally cannot see is it?
Yeah. Normally you can see you go press to the car, then you press the software. Minus 31,000 only.
Oh okay.
31,000 only. So now when you go to the map, right? Like this, right? So
Zoom
you
out.
Can search, and then
Or zoom out oh.
yeah,
Zoom out.
Zoom out only. You can just press on this charging, right? Press on charging. This is supercharger. Four Thunderbolt or 4 Lightning will be superchargers. So you can see Petaling Jaya got Sunway Pyramid you know, the nearest to us is Nexus Bangsa South Block, the Tesla supercharger. Then you can see Garden Mall. Then you can see Pavilion Taman Sarah Heights, Puchong IOI Mall, Pavilion Bukit Jalil. Then you click on Pavilion Bukit Jalil. then it will navigate, and it will
Okay.
tell you when you reach there, it will decrease.
I know
the
this one. Okay.
basically like that, yeah.
So I just use my adapter ni lah.
Yes, same thing. Nothing has changed, except now you can charge supercharger.
Okay.
You just press on charging.
The payment method how ah?
Sorry, payment method you have to link to your app.
Tesla app.
Yes, Tesla app link to your under charging.
Okay.
Under charging, under.
Okay, siap. Macam ini saja. Settle. Sekejap. So sekarang ni boleh simpan balik barang, luggage. Lepas tu balik Sungai Petani. 久久驾回去一次啊，很爽啊，爽啊。哪里？你看我朋友的跟我买，这样轻吧？
Number 7了哈。
苏州山跟我很好哦。
是咯，我知道，上次我有载他走来走去，去年啊。
去年啊。
我载他走啊。
啊，对，去年。
我载他走，他跟Mula山全部跟我走啊。去年载他，你
我的车。
买吗？啊，是咯，你的车来了。
我的车。
是咯。
还没有好。
还没有好。
车已经出了。Now I can finally charge my car at some place and go back to my hometown. Start doing video. Okay, Sungai Petani. The next month I'm coming back again. Let's see the. This one actually also from Exotic Modes. Last time they ordered for me the tail light. Finally can drive. I say in front like this, it looks like Porsche a bit. Okay, that's all.